Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manually clean up your Gmail inboxes in a faster way, how to use smart search filter, and most importantly, how to use tool called Sandbox to automatically keep things organized. Now, by the end of this video, your inbox will be going to feel like a calm, focused workspace. No, not a digital junky email will be seeing. Let's be real. Your inbox isn't just cluttered for no reason, it built up slowly. Promotional emails from that online store you bought, one t-shirt, bank alerts, old newsletters, job board updates, random login emails from 2019. You get the idea. And here's the thing, even if you are not reading them, they are still taking up this space, cluttering your mind and showing down your ability to focus on what matters. So, how do we track this mess? So, you can do is to manually clean up using filter. First, to go your Gmails. Now we are going to use Gmail own filter to clean up things fast. First of all, in the search bar at the top, type before give two dots emails. Now you have to mention the date. For example, I will mention dates like today. So it will filter all the emails which came before this date. So, and if you want emails deleted before this date, you can just simply select all by just select one by one, and you can select from all over from here as well. You get all the option: unread, stayed, read, unread, started. You can you got the idea. So if you are worried about deleting something important, that's okay. Gmails keep deleted messages in the trash for 30 days, so you have to recover them. And if you deleted your Gmail from trash, but still they hold 30 days, so you can just Gmail them and get back your Gmail back. Now, bonus tip: try searching by sender. Uh, uh, for example, what I will do, just go into inbox and uh, type this Gmail, copy this Gmail and paste it over here and hit the enter button. Then select all and delete. You can clean an entire mailing list in the seconds. So if you found this email important, what you can do is just move it and you can select it and you can filter out from here as well. But even with this trick, going through every sender manually, that's time consuming, and that's where the next tool comes, which is automating with your sandbox. If you are serious about keeping your inbox clean for good, let's talk about tool called Sandbox. This isn't sponsored. It's just a genuinely useful tool that I personally use, which is this one. Now I have logged in already. Just give all the permission necessary. Uh, what I was to choose email for add email. Don't use it. Add later. Now, for example, if so, it already tracked my emails, which is inbox 29, and from the people I got 5 emails and send later. So looks good. So So first of all, you have to search Sandbox and log in with your Gmail and click the start free trial. Sign up with your Gmail account. It's very easy. Allow permission for Sandbox to access your inbox. Once you are signed in, it start organizing your inbox immediately. So no downloads, no extension. It's just work. Now let's talk about the deep clean with Sandbox. One of the best feature I think in Sandbox is called deep clean. Here's what it does: scan your email account, show your list of senders and emails you haven't opened in months, and lets you to delete them in bulk based on your date frequency. Just click on view deep clean, and from here you can choose the dates from where to when your Gmail is. For example, I have not from here to here. Search, start scanning your email. This may take a while, so it will take a little time. So here we go. We have shortlisted all the emails which I haven't opened from months. So want to delete every email older than you have to select the time. This kind of deep scan can save your hours compared to doing it manually, and you can schedule it to run automatically every month as well. So if you want to store storage use, total message, you can sort by that too. Just simply click on the trash select, and from here you can select it all and click on the trash selected. From here it deleted all the things, all the emails faster, so it will save your time. So Sandbox also gives you tools to customize your inbox further, like reminder, do not disturbers, like we have already seen, which is this one. What do not disturb does is, if you want to pause email notification for a while, just simply click one, it will stop the notification. And the attachment, and this one as well, attachment organizer, it helps you to find and manage big files attachment taking up storage, and all of these help you to he'll help you not just cleaning your inbox but take your control of it. So here is the reality. Cluttered inbox slows down your brain, and as well your it takes little storage as well. Every unread message is a tiny piece of stress you don't need. When your inbox is clean, you reply fast, you spot important emails quicker, and your digital lives just feel lighter. So whether you go the manual routes using Gmails filter, or you use Sandbox to automate it all, the key takeaway is this: you don't have to live in email chaos. Try both methods, see what works for you. Even cleaning your inbox once every few months can make huge difference. So one more thing what you can do is, if you go over here, go to inbox and select email. From here you can create a filter, like just simply click over here, and what you can do is, you can create a filter, and you can search a deep search in the Gmail as well. For example, if I want interview subject related emails, I haven't received any. So what I will do, just simply go on and search it again. So I haven't received any emails. So you can filter it if you want greater than a size. If you want to filter by size, you can search that too. If you want emails with a date, you can do that as well, and click on the search. Uh, it will search all the emails and give it to you, and what you can do is select, filter it out, and delete at all at a time. So if this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more productive tips, and drop a comment of feedback, so how I can improve my video quality. So if this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.